And then can I have your quick
Okay.
advice on my portfolio, how to
Wow.
clean it up? Because I've been
Hindi,
doing
okay.
stocks,
It's
but
not naman...
it's not that bad.
Hindi, I mean,
It's
hindi naman
very
madami.
bad.
Five stocks. Ako. This is your only portfolio? Do you have other
Yeah,
portfolios pa?
that's the only one I have.
Siguro 1 or 2 stocks lang for this size.
And
For,
Nicolation.
for,
Nicolation is just
for
my
trading or
dummy.
investing to?
Supposedly investing. So I'm
Ah,
gonna create a new account for trading.
ayun. Yung galing, di ba? Yung fundamentally sound, siya talaga yung magtataguyod sa portfolio mo. So, what you can do, put more money dito.
Where?
I mean, put more cash here. You add, put more cash, buy more cash. Put
Okay.
more cash to your, tapos, just buy good stocks na lang. Tapos, this one, that you have a
Oo
loss
nga,
here.
yun nga
Yung loss mo dito, what you do is, once you start earning more, so kumita ka, the same amount, sell everything here, yung loss mo should be compensated by yung earnings mo dito. Take profits on that. So, magko-compensate until mabawi mo lahat ng loss.
Yun nga. So, eventually, nung last 2 days, I bought PNB. Trying the
nabenta mo
knowledge
na?
I had. No, I just bought it when it hits the 60 support and then it drops.
So, nag-cut ka.
Not yet.
Ba't wala siya dito?
Oo, hindi updated dyan. Hindi pa updated.
Screenshot ba to?
Oo, screenshot lang.
Tignan natin to. Tignan natin ayun.
Okay.
Para mas galing mas sa So, pag nag-FIBO tayo, you will see this.
Trying out
Ayan.
to-
And if you look at this, ayan yung mangyayari. So, hindi niya na-break to. Dapat,
Kasi
best time to
bought
bought would have been here or here sana.
Oo, but that is before our
This is medyo
stocks.
medyo late.
Oo,
Medyo late na. Kasi if buying here, ito yung risk mo, layo nito. So, okay sana if it's above this, pwede. But you bought here na medyo mas mataas yung risk. It going down, dapat sell. Papakat.
I bought around here. Yung
52.
No, 60.
No,
16.
Hindi, 52. Ito yan. 52 pesos. This is the FIBO
Oh,
retracement.
yeah,
This is 60. Yeah, this is 60.
Oh,
So, one way to look at it is kung masusundan tong FIBO, dito siya pupunta. Kung masusundan niya yung FIBO, bababa siya dito sa 56.
if
Yan.
going up now.
If it doesn't go back, ito na yung next na possible niya puntahan. Pero ito yung ranges. So, if you're willing to wait here, tapos nag-bounce, kung gusto ko mag-hold, pwede. Pero at this whole time na nangyari to, loss ka pa rin. Okay, thank you. See you next week.
Alright, thank you.
O, game. Power couple.
Yay!
Okay, game. You have a question. Oh. Guys, follow them. Ano yung website niyo? Anong business?
The Digital Artisans.
Digital Artisans.
Yes.
So if you want a website, no?
Yes.
Website creation. Ayun, sila.
Yay.
Okay. Game. Name.
What?
Kay and Gerard.
Kay and Gerard.
Yes.
Okay, Digital Artisans.
Yes.
Gerard.
Do you need a website?
Meron eh. Calling card. Meron gumagawa ba kayo ng calling card?
Yes.
Ayun,
But we
wala.
do not print We just do the layout.
Print sana kailangan ko. Gusto ko yung makapal na ano. Pero
Tapos
pwede
emboss,
rin.
ganyan.
Pwede rin layout. Wala pa akong layout ng ano eh. Matagal na ako.
I can connect you to someone who prints.
Yung gusto ko sana yung maganda yung pagkagawa. Pero matagal na rin akong walang calling card kasi nagko-QR code ako. Pero
Oo.
pero minsan kasi kung matanda ako sa mo, minsan kailangan niya.
Kailangan.
Depende. Pero kung matanda ako, okay lang. It's never too late. Okay lang. Okay lang. Sige, pwede. Yeah. Digital Artisans. So ano pa? What do you do pa? Website?
We do websites for
Okay.
photographers.
Photographers kayo.
I was doing photography before. That's why most
Ah,
of our clients are photographers from US.
Okay.
Or creative people, mga stylist, ganun.
Maawa naman kayo sa picture ko. Bakit na
Oy, pa-picture ka na lang ulit.
Pwede din, no? Kasi payat na ako ngayon, diba? Oo. Pwede.
Thank you so much.
Digital. Wala kayong question? Nothing?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay.
We learned a lot.
Galing.
Because Marvin is the best.
Hindi naman. Grabe naman. Kasi ito na lang.
Ano?
What do you like more? Technicals or fundamentals?
Technicals.
Because?
Because you can use it even the market is sideways.
Okay. Fundamentals, ayaw nyo.
Not really,
Okay.
but it helps them to make choose the correct stocks before using technicals.
Tsaka,
So, medyo
di ko alam
combo.
kung napansin nyo kanina, yung technicals sumusunod sa fundamentals eh.
Yes,
Oo,
oo.
di ba?
So,
Yung
parang-
fundamentals nagdidictate bakit yung large amount of money that we have invested here, foreign funds eh, mutual funds eh, hindi naman nagka-technicals yun. They will always follow valuations eh. So, if they start selling based on valuations, based on fundamentals, babagsak din yung chart. So, yun lang I guess yun lang yung trade-off nun na malalaman nyo kagad yung reason based
Behind,
on
yes.
it. So, ganun. That's how you can also analyze it.
Yes.
Question?
So, thank you.
Hindi naman. Wala no question?
Wala naman, sir. So,
Bagong kasal daw kayo eh.
Yes.
Oh, January
Congratulations. So, anong tip nyo sa mga taong kakasal? So, kayo na rin nag-shoot ng
Mag-ipon.
wedding nyo?
Friends.
Friends,
Yeah.
galing. Galing nyo naman. Okay, that's it. I guess wala na.
Wala na.
Wala na. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
At least you're part of the vlog.
Promote.
Ano?
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so calling cards, tsaka ano pa?
Websites.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Okay, Ruel, game. Question. You have a question?
Wala, I learned a lot.
Single, married?
Married.
Married, happily?
Yes.
Talaga?
Oh, definitely.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Ruel, what do you want to learn pa?
Actually, it's an eye-opener.
Matagal ka na nagsa-stocks?
Actively, no.
Okay.
Siguro, a little over a year.
Little over a
Yeah.
year. Bakit ka nag-stocks?
Earn, take advantage of the market.
What's your work again? Tinanong ko na to dati, pero nakalimutan ko.
Previously, nag-Sun Life.
Oo nga pala,
Tapos,
kakatanong ko lang, no, ngayon nasa Allianz ka na PNB.
Actually, it's starting pa lang because my friend is inviting me there. So, hopefully, we get
Okay. Salamat. Hope this helps you.
Yes.
And kung taga-Allianz ka, I hope it also helps you.
Maraming
Oh,
salamat.
no questions?
This is your ball.
This is my ballpen. This is not actually mine also. This is ours.
Question?
Oh.
I guess, hindi. Siguro comment lang.
Comment.
Kasi kanina, tinanong mo yung mag-asawa.
Oh.
Which one do you like better?
Oh.
Technicals,
Oh.
fundamental?
Oo nga.
Ako, I'd say both.
Because?
Man, that's using yung strength ng both.
Hmm.
Diba? Parang use everything that's very useful. Combine it together. That's
Okay.
amazing
And then use it to your advantage.
Use it to your advantage.
Pero top na nagustuhan mo sa fundamentals.
Ako, initially, I wanted to do technicals lang.
Hmm.
In fact, when I first saw yung sa friend ko kasi,
Okay.
sabi ko magte-technicals lang ako. But he wanted fundamentals.
Oh, sino yun?
One of my friends.
Andito
So,
siya? Wala
no,
siya?
wala siya dito.
Siya pa yung wala?
Siya pa yung wala.
Okay.
Kasi busy.
Okay.
So sabi ko, you know what? What if you pay me, I teach?
Okay. Pumayag siya.
Pumayag siya.
Okay.
I'll attend for you.
Okay.
And then,
Okay, so
echo ko sa kanya.
Kita ka pa dito. Okay.
Hindi naman.
Okay.
Echo lang.
Okay, so
And then I realized, nung nag-fundamentals na, okay din pala to.
kasi glamoroso kasi technicals eh. Kasi you can do it very very fast. Eh.
Right.
Pero big money sa fundamentals.
Yung mga pinakita mong projections.
Then tsaka yung fund manager ka, inaasa mo yung pera ng ibang tao dun
Right.
sa company rin mismo na
Right,
bibili.
right.
Hindi ka not explain it. Hindi, binili namin yan kasi uptrend siya. Di ba? It's not, the bigness of the larger your fund is, mas sure dapat sila sa binibili nila na mas solid.
Right.
Yun.
Right. The only thing yung time,
Time.
What if you're old, like maybe around 50?
Oh, 50 is not old. Kasi if you live until 80,
You still have 30 years.
Oh, you still have 30 years. Kahit mag-invest ka ng 15 years doon, that 15 years of investing, that's what you use until 65 to 80. So,
Sa
hindi
bagay yung
hindi
pre-check
pa too late.
natin.
Hindi pa too late.
2023, 9 years, less than 10 years, no? You're getting what? Close to maybe...
Valuation. Possible. Kaya nga, even nung peso cost averaging, Jollibee, you saw it eh, that if it's done well,
Yeah.
and then combined with fundamentals, and then combined na you're not buying high, pwede pa rin siya.
Right.
Okay,
So,
salamat.
thank you. Thank you, sir. Salamat.
Okay. Ruel, married daw. Okay, bye-bye. So, yun. That's it. Do you have any questions? Mr. Paul Andrew Ordoña, cameraman extraordinaire. No questions? Do you want me to look at a certain stock? Stocks by request projector version. Meron ka bang stock na request?
VNL lang yung stocks.
Sige, VLL, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin yung VLL. First time ko maggagawa ng stocks by request using this. Okay. Vista lang. So, based on the lesson, I talked about this also yesterday when we were doing stock smarts here. It's now it's consolidating. Ito naman talaga yung range niya. if you look at it here, yung range na nagko-consolidate siya is from this area. May support dito, yes, and then merong resistance. So, since you own Vistaland, ito yung trade-off niya. So, it will move from, the range that it will move from is 7.1 to around 7.5. Yun yung consolidatory range. If 7.1 does not hold, babagsak siya to around 6.6. Bounce from 7.1, action siya to 7.5. Breakout from 7.1, there's a chance that it can go back to 80. Yun. So, hindi pala 80. 8 lang pala. 8 lang pala. So, yun. What else? Meron pa? Wala na. Meron pa? Ano pa? Wala na. So, yun lang. And that's how we do it here. Technicals, fundamentals. Fundamentals dictates how the big funds buy. Then technicals tells you the entire market sentiment. Do you need both? If you want to be strong, that very holistic analysis mo, you need to have at least a knowledge of technicals and fundamentals. And here's the thing, a lot of people like technicals kasi, so siya, it's nice too. And for me, it's one of the best ways to analyze. However, if you don't know fundamentals and you have not even tried to learn it, sayang. You're missing out on the name of the game is having conviction, and you get the conviction when you know both technicals and fundamentals and you use it to your advantage. By the way, I want to show you na rin, sakto, stocks by request na to. Tignan na rin natin yung chart. PSEI. So, meron pa ba ito? Does this work? It still works. So, if you look at the PSEI, parang nagsiseminar ako, pero tayong dalawa lang nandito, no? Very, 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 very consistent yun. I plot in MACD, and then this 4 moving averages, you will see this. That there's still hesitation at the 8,100 level, and the support at the near 7.5 is still holding. So, based on all of this, you will see pretty much that the PSE is still sideways, and this is the projection, and there's still no change, there's no momentum, there's no particular change. It will move and hover from 7.5 to 8.1 as of this point in time. So there. Do you have questions na? None? Okay. So that's the update, and yeah, I hope this helps you. You have to remember, I do my analysis when the market is closed, so that when the market is open, tomorrow, I already know what to do. So, it's a weekend. Have you done your research? Have you done your review? Because if you don't know what you're supposed to buy tomorrow, better not buy at all. Because if you don't know what you're buying based on technicals and fundamentals, you're just gonna be emotional, or you're gonna guess, and it's hard. You cannot make money consistently if you're guessing and you're speculating. And that's the bottom line. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and bye-bye.